alright, brother? That was Emma.
Yeah, she's good, man.
That's good. Right, I need the brothers up in 5 minutes for a meeting. Can you sort that out for me, bro?
Everyone at the table, five.
Right everyone, thanks for coming. I've called you all here so I need to discuss 2 issues with you. First issue is the club's low on money and we're down to our last chance and I don't particularly want the Suns to die. My idea is getting the club into drugs. It's not the best idea, but
I don't think we should get into drugs. We lost a brother last time and our mum's hand got crushed.
That's because Clay was the president at the time. He was in drugs for selfish reasons. I'm here to save the club.
Well, looks like we're bringing it to a vote then.
Alright, majority vote for drugs. I say yay. Red's proxy, yay.
Yay.
No. Right, majority votes drugs. The next thing is the fundraiser later. We've got to try and raise some money to bail out Harry Jr. Winston from juvie. Cool with everyone? No, if you don't go, my wife's going to kick your ass, so dismissed.
What are you doing? Drugs?
I need to get some money from somewhere. The club's dying. Our world plays on foot.
Dad got us out.
This is not Dad's club. I'm president. You're vice president. Know your goddamn place.
Screw you.
You want to do something tonight, babe?
Like what?
I was thinking going out for a meal.
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's go get this out of the way first.
Oh yeah, seeing as tomorrow is our 2-year anniversary.
Okay. Come on, we need to get set up.
Alright.
Wait. You're getting something. Kiss and go. Thank you.
Dumbass. Right. We need to hurry up, get everything sorted. I hope so. I really hope so. Mikey! Hey, man. How you doing, brother? Hey, brother. How you doing?
Hey, you're right, dude.
Emma.
Thomas.
Hey, Sarah. Alright.
Right, we need to get everything ready.
Yep.
Because everyone's going to be coming in about an hour. Where's Red and Smoke?
Don't know, man. I think they've gone to get
They get drinks, aren't they?
Yeah, I think they've gone to get drinks.
Right. I really hope we make enough money.
Yeah, so do I.
Fine. We need to get Harry out of juvie. Right now.
Emma's got eyes on it.
Yeah.
What?
So she got in
Took a pregnancy test last night.
getting shot.
Having a baby.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you. How does Abel feel about this?
I haven't told him yet. I'm telling him tonight. He's taking me out to dinner. Thought that'd be a good time.
Nice surprise.
Oh my god, it's so big.
Yeah.
Don't know if he's ready for it with everything going on with the club though.
I'm sure he'll be happy.
I did not realise.
I
I
hope
thought you were happy.
Okay. Oh God.
Oh, baby, it's not that bad. Yeah, I'll take you home, baby. I'll take you home. Alright?
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad. There's no blood, alright? There's no blood. Just keep looking at me, baby. Keep looking at me, alright? Alright? Everything alright? Come on, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Alright, baby. It's not that bad. What baby?
Baby.
What baby?
Oh, baby.
You had a baby? What?
Oh my god. I wanna go home.
It's fine. Baby, come on. It's alright. It's alright.
Oh my god.
It's okay. No, no, no! No! Hey. Come on, Sarah. Come on, Sarah. Come on, Sarah. Please. You're not free. Sarah. Sarah, come on.
We need to retaliate to the Devil's Tribe tonight. They're having a get together and we need to show them who runs this town.
agreed. We can't let them do this. They've done to us, our brothers. They've done to Abel.
We need guns. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sell the cocaine to the AB. I'm going to use the money to buy the guns from the Russians. We're going to get Mikey and Danny to go get the guns and we'll bring the money over. Is that okay with you guys? That's good.
Where's the stuff?
Go right here. Top quality stuff in the town.
That's the stuff. So how much do you want for it?
15.
Well, I can do about 10.
I'm sorry, I can't do that. I need 15 for it.
I can only do 10.
I need 15.
15, or the cocaine goes in your coffin.
Alright, I'll pay the 15.
So you're doing business with you. Now where's the money?
Come with me. Don't do it.
Let's take this money. Get out of here. It's Mikey. See where they are with the Russians. Yeah. Mikey! Right, have you got the guns? Right, put them in a bag and say, tell the Russian that we're going to meet them in the town. We got the money. We got more than the money. Let's just say the shipment didn't get sold properly. And we'll see in a bit. Right, you got the guns?
Yeah, I have the guns. Where's my money?
Alright, Emma, pack all the clothes and all the money. We've got to get out of here tonight. No, don't ask any questions. We're going. I'll explain it all later.
Right, now we've got the guns, we can raise them.
Hey man, I've got to go. I'm in trouble.
Sorry to come over that one. Right, you ready?
So you gonna go after?
You need to go. Abel's here now and you can't be here.
Why? What's happened? Are you in trouble?
No, you just need to go.
But can't Abel help you?
No. It's... I ordered the attack on the fundraiser.
What? Why?
I killed Sarah. I didn't mean to. He's coming to kill me now. And he'll kill you if you don't go.
Well,
Please.
I can't leave you.
Just go.
I love you.
Do as he says, Emma.
Don't do this. Please, I'm really sorry.
Would you kill her?
It wasn't for her. It was for you.
So you tried to kill me? What did my wife have to suffer?
Because you're a shit president. You've taken this club back into drugs. That's what that gut's out of.
My sweetheart, he's a rambler. Lord, he rides an old machine.
Is that good?